Hi friends, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to the House of Jane. Today I am really excited because I am going to show you my newest travel journal. Yes, I received a beautiful handcrafted leather journal from a company called Wanderings. Came in a very basic paper box, a little comment card, put it in a little bag. So here's a little drawstring, I guess burlap bag. It says Wanderings on it. And this is a 5x7 journal. Isn't that pretty? So it is a little masculine looking, but I love it. Look at this. This is perfect size. See that? It's good to put in my purse when I do like day trips, or I carry like a little crossbody when I do longer trips, or a little backpack, a leather backpack. So let me show it to you. First of all, the comment card. It says, "Thank you for choosing Wanderings. I hope you love your purchase. Please let me know if you are not completely satisfied. I want to make this perfect for you. Your purchase also comes with a 365-day warranty in the unlikely event your Wanderings product does not stand the test of time." And then it gives you a website to register your products. So I thought that was a really nice comment card by the owners of the company. Has this little key that slips in there to hold the journal in place, just like that. You unwrap it. Now I've been playing around with it because I wanted to see how the inks would work on the papers. I just did a quick design on the front cover, obviously related to travel. This will also be used just to journal as well, write about books, movies, travel. So I decorated it with some papers I had. And then I also did a pen test. But before I get to the pen test, let me just show you. There are 5 signatures in this journal. This is very unique paper. I mean, it almost looks like it's been burned. It's 240 pages of 125 GSM vintage blank recycled cotton. So it's not made from trees. It's acid-free, chemical-free, and tree-free paper. You can see each page is very unique. So there are 5 signatures. See, I'll show you this way as well. But there's 5 signatures, and there is no way you can't add to this. You can probably take away pages if you wanted to. If it got too bulky, you can cut some of the pages out. Here's where the knots are. So I am just going to leave that alone, not mess with it. And this is the back of it. So yeah, this would be a nightmare to take apart. The leather is really nice. And you know, leather is imperfect. So it does have some little scarring and scratches, but that's just, you know, makes it unique. 2 little braids to hold the enclosure in. And then inside it's like very suede-y. So I did a pen test in the back of it because I wanted to see, you know, how easy it was to write on this cotton type paper. So I use a lot of zebra pens. I have the brush pen, midliner, and then the midliner has a bold and a fine. And then I also use gel pens, and then just regular, you know, Bic and Pilot pens and Sharpies. And the last 2 are a pencil, colored pencil by Colory, and then a regular 2.0 millimeter pencil. Look at that. Nothing bleeds through. The closest bleed through is from this Sharpie fine point. So I was really impressed, and I just thought that the gel pens and even these plain Bic pens, they wrote the best. but I would say this Pentel Energel Liquid Gel, and I have a whole set of unknown gel pens. I don't know who the manufacturer of this pen is, but that wrote really well too. So yeah, if you worry about, you know, oh, am I gonna have problems, you know, writing in here? No, not at all. And you can also use watercolors. I didn't test the watercolors. I haven't painted in watercolors in really a long time, but yeah. So this is the journal, 240 pages. I like the size because it's not too big. And I thought it was just really convenient. And I do like how it looks. I like the masculine look. It does not bother me whatsoever. But you can just take a regular pen and fit it in just like that. Isn't that cool? So if you're interested in getting this journal for yourself, I will give you a link below. This particular one costs $28.25, and I have a code that you can get 20% off with the code VINTAGE20. I don't make any money from the code. It's just something that the company provided to me to pass on to you guys. So I will leave all the details down below. So let me know what you think of this journal. I just love it. Thank you, Wanderings, for sending it to me for my review. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love a subscribe. It's free to subscribe. And I love posting videos and doing reviews and even craft videos as well. So I will see you in the next video, everybody. And it's Friday, and I hope you all have a good Friday night and a great weekend. I'll talk to you later. Bye.